Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by confirming the essentials: updates, account, and storage. Open Play Store, check the app page, and tap Update if visible. This ensures beta metadata matches. Once done, force close Play Store and Google Play services to clear transient errors, then reboot your device so services reconnect cleanly. You do this because lingering processes or version mismatch often block beta installs. After reboot, reopen Play Store and go directly to the app's beta enrollment page to continue. Next, handle enrollment conflicts. If the beta toggle shows enrolled but the APK won't download, leave the beta and wait a minute, then rejoin. This refreshes server flags. If problems persist, clear cache and then clear data for Play Store and Google Play services. This resets local state without deleting apps. Make sure to switch networks briefly. Sometimes a different IP forces Google to serve updated enrollment. Once rejoined, tap Update or Install. Monitor progress and wait for the new build to appear. Finish by installing the beta build and verifying functionality. If the Play Store still won't deliver the beta, uninstall Play Store updates from App Info, then let it update again. This rebuilds its package manager state. Alternatively, open the beta opt-in link in a browser while signed into the correct Google account and reopen Play Store. If nothing works, remove any duplicate Google accounts on the device. Mismatched accounts often hijack beta assignments. If you hit errors, reboot after each major change and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.